Hi everyone, I'm Jensen Lim, a full stack developer from Malaysia. Last year, I participated in the Appetizer Hackathon 2021 as Team AR Trace. And the reason why I participate in this hackathon is because I found the API company from Appetizer is so interesting. There are two API that I have used during the hackathon. The first is face recognition API provided by Qbox, which is an API that returns the match verification and matching rate information of two face images. A very cool feature that makes the face matching process super easy. The second API is the Lens API provided by Omnius. Well, it is something that I never seen in the market before. This is why I chose this API. It is an API that provides a solution that use the visual AI to allow customers to search for the similar fashion items by using images or data attributes. It also has the AI visual recommendation that will recommend fashion items based on users' taste and preference. Sound cool, right? With the help of these two APIs, I created AR Trace, which is the idea that I came up with in this hackathon. Before I share this idea further, let me share with you the problem statement I'm trying to solve. I believe many people when walking into a fashion retail store will hear the sentence like, "Hey, can I help you? Are you looking for something?" One of the main issues that can be found in a retail store is that the offline shopping experience is different from the online shopping. Online platforms define your interests and then recommend products based on your browsing and buying behavior, but offline retail store cannot be like online platforms. Salesperson don't know what customer might like and what their interests are. In fact, most sales staff in Asian countries are part-timers and have not received good training. So I'm thinking, is it possible to bring the essence of online platform product recommendation to salesperson? Therefore, I came up with the idea of AR Trace. AR Trace is an augmented reality smart glasses solution for fashion retail stores to improve sales performance and productivity by recommending products based on customer wear and purchase history data. So, how does it work? The salesperson will first put on the smart glasses, AR Trace, and I believe many people are already familiar with smart glasses, right? You can control the glasses display with touch or the gesture input. When a customer walks into a store, the salesperson will look at the customer and the system will start detecting the face, matching them with the help of the Qbox face recognition API, so that the system can use the face ID to retrieve the data stored in the database. It will then retrieve all the fashion attributes from customer wear and perform fashion recommendation analysis. And then the system displays the fashion item that customer might be interested in the smart glasses, so that salesperson can better serve customer and improve sales performance. Basically, this is the idea of AR Trace. Sound fancy, right? To be completely honest, I think it is impossible for me to build the system without the help of Qbox and Omnius API. They actually guided me through the entire hackathon process. I have a very helpful and great mentoring session with them. The mentor was super nice and friendly. They gave me a lot of feedback and suggestions to improve the idea. I remember that time the initial idea is not logic at all, it's overcomplicated. But then we have a brainstorming session together with the mentors to make the idea make sense. Something that I never experienced with other API service before. The API integration process is so smooth and simple, and the API service itself already helped me with the most complicated parts, which is the face matching and fashion recommendations. Hey, just sharing with you, the Qbox and Omnius API are actually from the Appetizer API marketplace. You can check them out at www.appetizer.kr. The website is so clean and simple, and the APIs are well categorized and documented. And there are more than 120 amazing APIs that you can browse around to fit your business needs. Well, this is my experience with the API marketplace from Appetizer in this hackathon. I managed to build such a complex system in a week. I just can't imagine how much time I will spend without their help to develop. Just wanted to say that, hey, if any one of you want to have your own style project or want to build something new or crazy, let's give it a try to exploring the API marketplace from Appetizer. I know there are many API providers around the world, but what I can experience from Appetizer is different. They have mentoring session, brainstorming session. They are like more than API provider. Trust me, you'll love it. Lastly, I just wanted to say, really appreciate the Appetizer for providing such amazing API service to the market. Thank you.